In this video, I'll show you how to install LSPDFR mod in GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, if you recently upgraded to GTA 5 Enhanced and want to continue your police roleplay experience, you'll need the enhanced version of LSPDFR. It brings back the core gameplay of responding to dispatch calls, performing traffic stops, investigating crimes, and making arrests. Now, because the enhanced edition is still fairly new, not every plugin from the legacy version has been updated yet. However, the compatibility continues to improve and more plugins are being released for enhanced over time. Before we start installing, take notes that this mod is designed for GTA 5 story mode only. Do not use LSPDFR in GTA Online, since this mod changes your game files. Attempting to play GTA Online with it installed could cause problems with your game or your Rockstar account. And also, if you want to install this, I also recommend starting with a clean installation of GTA 5 Enhanced without any other mods installed. Alright, to start, let's download LSPDFR for GTA 5 Enhanced. You can go to lcpdfr.com and look for the enhanced preview, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you over here. Now, once you're in the website, the first thing you will see is this message over here. So basically, if you cannot open the setup or Rage plugin hook, you can try to disable the antivirus. We have a video on that, so go ahead and check that out. Now let's continue downloading LSPDFR. Let's scroll down, and then on the right, you'll have this download button. You're gonna click on it. You will see the download terms. You can read through it, and if you agree, hit agree and download. Here you'll have two options. There is manual install and a setup. So if you know what you're doing, you can download the manual install, but for this video, we're gonna use the setup because it's easier and convenient to install for beginner. Let's hit download on the right. It'll bring you to the download page. Hit download again. It'll prompt the download. Just save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Now just hit save and the download will start. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder, and now you'll have the setup.exe. And to start installing, you'll need to locate your GTA 5 Enhanced main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default location of GTA 5 Enhanced. So if you install GTA 5 Enhanced on the default location, you'll find it there. Now, if you still cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. Alright, to locate your GTA 5 on Epic Games, you can go to library and then look for your GTA 5 Enhanced from the list. Click the three dots on the right, go to manage, and then click the folder icon and it will open up the install location. On Steam, you're going to do the same. You want to go to library and then right click on GTA 5 Enhanced, go to manage, and then hit browse local files. It'll also open up the install location. Alright, now we got everything ready. Let's open up the setup. Just double click on it. You're going to select the language. Of course, you're going to select English and then hit OK. Here, just hit next. There will be a license agreement. Just read through it, and if you agree, just hit I agree right here. Here, you're going to check everything. Hit next, and then it'll ask you to locate your GTA 5 Enhanced location. So we already have it. Just hit browse and then go to your GTA 5 Enhanced location. It's gonna be program files for me, and then Epic Games and GTA 5 Enhanced. Hit OK, and we're ready to install it. Hit install, just wait for it to finish, and after it's done, check this box over here and hit finish. The first time you install it, you'll see this. Just hit next, and then you're gonna accept the Rage plugin hook license. Click show license, read through it, and if you accept, just click I accept. Next, it'll recommend you to change the settings, so just hit do it for me, and LSPDFR has been installed successfully. Click OK. Alright now LSPDFR is installed, and before we launch the game with it, I want to show you some things. So if you go to LSPDFR folder, here you'll have a file called keys.ini. You can open it up with Notepad. Just right click, select edit in Notepad, and inside it you can see all of the keybinds you can use with LSPDFR. So if you want to change a keybind, for example, to accept callouts, currently it's Y, and you want to change it, for example, to K, you can do that. Now I'm not going to do that, so let's revert it back to Y. And after you make your changes, you need to save it, hit file, and then hit save. Next, still in the same folder, you're going to look for lspdfr.ini. Let's open it up with Notepad. And here what you need to do is look for this line over here, main preload all models. Change it from true to false, especially if this is the first time you install LSPDFR. So you're going to change it to false, click file, and hit save. Alright, before you launch GTA 5 with LSPDFR, you need to disable the anti-cheat first. So to do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings and then just uncheck with a light, which is the anti-cheat of GTA Online. After you do that, you're not going to launch GTA 5 through your launcher, so you can close this. Instead, we're going to launch the game through Rage plugin hook.exe. So you can double click on it. The first time you launch it, you want to go to settings. So as soon as it loads, just click the gear icon on the startup. Alright, inside the settings, you can change the console key if you want. So the default one is F4, but if you use this key for another thing, you can change it to whatever you want. Now for plugin timeout threshold, you can increase it to like 60,000, because if it's too low and your game cannot load the plugins, it will just crash your game. Now you want to go to plugins, and here, because this is the first time we launched the game with LSPDFR, you're gonna check load these plugins on startup and check LSPD first respond. But next time, if you want to launch the game again, click the gear icon to go to settings, and you're gonna change it to don't load any plugins and just load the plugins inside the game. To do that, you can press F4 and then type in reload all plugins. It's pretty simple. Now just hit save and launch, and it will say this, and it will say this. Hit OK, and it'll try to launch the game with a Rage plugin hook. Alright, if you do everything correctly, you'll see this on your screen when you're trying to load into story mode. And inside the game, you can check on the map and you can see the police station icon where you can go on duty. Now we just need to go inside and just go to the locker rooms, press E on the marker, and select go on duty. The first time you go on duty, you need to create a character. Here, just like GTA Online, customize your character, give it a name, and save it. After you do that, and now you can select police locker and choose your outfit. You can select your agency. I'll just select LSPD. Choose your outfit. You can also go to advanced customization if you want to add in more things, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's just hit confirm and go to the police garage. Here you can choose your vehicle. Let's select the agency first. I think I'll just go with LSPD, and then the vehicle model. Let's select the police interceptor, and then you can change the components and modification, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's hit select and continue. After that, you're good to go, and now you can start patrolling the city, performing traffic stops, responding to crimes in progress, pursuing fleeing suspects, and much more. After confirming that LSPDFR is working properly, you can begin installing additional plugins to expand the experience, like callouts packs, police vehicle packs, EUP uniforms, traffic management plugins, and etc. So that'd be it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.